Hi, my name is Miss Shade, and I am going to be your sixth grade language arts teacher. Welcome to my classroom. Let's take a look, and then I'll tell you a little about this year and a little bit about me. When you enter room 3106, you will be coming into my classroom, sixth grade language arts. The first thing we're going to notice is that I am going to encourage you all year to be you. Our school is made up of an unbelievable group of students, all full of different qualities. And I know that each one of you will exhibit different qualities that's going to make our class special. When we start the year, please be you. As you look at the classroom, you'll see that the desks are spaced apart. You'll notice that there is more space in front of the smartboard so that if I am instructing or if a student is interacting with the smartboard, there is at least 6 feet of space to keep us all safe. You will find over here baskets where I will return papers, where you will find extra copies, well, you will find loose leaf paper. And again, there's our message. Be you. Our school is unbelievable. Here you will find the teacher desk. And if you would ever need supplies such as construction paper or glue sticks, you will find them in this back cabinet. This year, all of you will have a copy of the iReady instruction book. We will be using that in class. And we're going to start the year off with a fantastic novel that I know you're going to remember for years to come called Where the Red Fern Grows. Can you believe that I am starting my 21st year of education this year? It's unbelievable. This is my 6th year starting here at Milton-Union. I previously taught in the elementary at Milton-Union and had many of your faces in 2nd grade. I'm so lucky to have you guys again. Prior to that, I taught in a self-contained classroom, which means I taught all the subjects in 5th grade in Centerville and spent the beginning of my career in Eastern Cincinnati. So I have a great knowledge of many different ages and many different subjects. I am a graduate of Miami University, go Red Hawks, and I have a master's degree from the University of Dayton in educational leadership. Something that's very special to me is that I am a Milton-Union graduate. My roots go deep here. My parents are Milton-Union graduates and my grandparents. So we have a great love and huge pride for Milton-Union Bulldogs. Something that I pride myself even more on than being a Bulldog is being a mother. This is my family. I have 3 sons and 1 daughter. Benjamin is going into 6th grade. Zachary is going into 4th grade. Jack is going into 3rd grade. And Grace is entering kindergarten. And all of them are entering as Bulldogs and attend Milton-Union schools. We have a family pet. This is our family cat named Taco Cat. Taco is a palindrome. If you're not sure what a palindrome is, you will learn that this year in class. She's a 2-year-old ragdoll kitten, and she lives up to her name and flops like a ragdoll when we walk in the door. For fun, I love to travel with my family. We love Disney World, and we are anxious to get back once things get back to normal. We love the ocean just as much, and this year we were able to visit in Panama City Beach in Florida. I love watching my kids play sports. I am helping the Strikers team this year, and these are my 3 boys that are all participating in soccer this season. They also play basketball in the fall. Country music is my thing. Luke Bryan is a whole lot of fun. I love his music and I love going to concerts. And I love spending time with my family in my free time. As far as contacting me, I encourage all of you to sign up on the Remind app. If I am your English language arts teacher, my Remind address is rmd.at/ELA shade 6. All students will be coming home with one of these the first week of school, but I wanted to verbally tell you as well that I use Remind to communicate many information, whether we are in school or virtually. It's a great way to communicate, and I encourage everyone to sign up for that. If you are in my Academic Assist class, I have a different login and sign up because I will send different information to my Academic Assist students. That sign up is rmd.at/shade AA6. If I have you for both English Language Arts and Academic Assist, please enroll for both Reminds because they will contain different information. Our first assignment this year is for you to bring in an identity bag to share about you. Students will be informed about this on their first day of school, and I'm looking forward to learning just as much about you as you have learned about me. As far as homework during the year, we will have weekly vocab and spelling quizzes, and the students will have 2 AR books to complete per quarter. These types of information will be relayed through the Remind app as reminders. So please, if you can, sign up. If you need to communicate, you can use that, or you can use my email that I have listed there. I know this year is going to be a different year, but it's going to be a great year. I'm anxious to get you in the classroom. I'm anxious to get to know you, and we are going to have a great time together. Enjoy the rest of summer. Be ready to come back to school. Bring your mask, and let's have a great 2020-2021 year. Bye.